Just look at how gorgeous these waves are. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. Look at how beautiful this hair looks, bouncing. So please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for doing that. This hair is from Tinashe Hair. It is 20 inches and body wave, and the color is black. If you don't like black color, you can bleach the hair, change it to whatever color that you want. It all depends on you. And that's the hairline. The lace is brown and the hairline is a little bit plucked. It came with some combs and an adjustable strap. That's the inside, the construction of the lace. You can see there are some holes inside which makes the hair breathable. And that's the hair length, and the hair is from Tinashe, like I said, and it came with some goodies, a lot. A bonnet, a comb, cap wig, hair clips, edge brush, and a pair of lashes. Hello gorgeous, welcome. Don't mind my nails, I did not have the time to polish them, just pardon that. Gorgeous, please, if you are not following me, you can follow me on my social platforms on Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. Look at the hairline, it looks so blunt, but don't worry, you can install your wig if the hairline is blunt like this. I know it's not everybody that know how to pluck hairline. It's very easy, I will say, and it's difficult at the same time. So before I start, I cut off the excess lace from the wig. If you're not free in doing this, you can cut the excess lace, just put a mark, remove it from your head, and cut the lace before you place the wig on your head. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. Thank you Tinashe Hair for sending me this wig to review. As at the time I fixed this wig, I will tell you more about the wig. There was nothing like shedding, and the texture of the hair is so good. You guys know I use gel to install my wigs. If it is your first time here, I use gel because of my edges. My edges are damaged, so I'm trying to protect my edges. You can use glue. My gel will last for 24 hours, but if you want your hair to last more than 24 hours, I will advise you use hair glue. So I added gel, then brush the hair backward. I blow dry it down before cutting the excess lace from it. So I'm going to do this process all around the wig. If it is your first time, maybe you've not seen how I install my wigs, you can watch some of that of my videos to see how I install my wigs.
Your kind of beauty doesn't come easy, can't take my mind off you. I'm so embarrassed watching you undress, can't take my eyes off you.
To take my hair backward, and I slay my baby hairs off camera. So gorgeous, I'm going to leave you guys to watch. I will leave the link to this unit on the description box. All the infos about this wig will be on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. All right gorgeous, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. If you like it here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this hair tutorial, support your girl by hitting on that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.